Hello there, Star Wars toy fans, and the topic of today's video is the replacement cape for Leia Bespin of the Vintage Kinder line. So looking at the two figures, can you tell which one is the original cape and which one is the replacement? Well, for those of us that grew up with the Vintage Kinder line, the one on the right is the original cape, and the one on the left is the replacement. So how did I come about this? Well, I purchased a dewback for my son for Christmas. And along with that dewback came a number of loose figures, one of which was Leia Bespin, and it did not have a cape. And the one on the right here, this is the one from my childhood. And so just looking at it, I thought, oh, for $5, this is going to be great. He can have a complete figure. And he doesn't need an original one because he is 5 years old, going on 6, and who knows what's going to happen to this cape, but at least he's got something that's original. So looking at it, you can see that it's a much lighter pink, even a different shade of pink. The silk screen, if we want to call it that, is almost exact, but it's a different color. So it's kind of along the same lines as that pink. It doesn't have as much brown. It is a different type of plastic. So this is completely smooth, very similar to Ben Kenobi's. This one actually has some texture to it. So I don't know if you can see that with the camera, but there we go. You can kind of see those ridges. And the smudges, I'm not sure what that came from, maybe dirty fingers. So those ridges are the big difference between the two. Here you can see it's just exact shiny plastic. So other than that, it sits a little bit taller in the back, just right behind the head. But other than that, I'm really pleased with it. I think it looks great. And if you're looking for something to complete your collection, don't want to pay vintage prices or can't find one with a vintage cape, and maybe you want some duplicates so that way you can have different scenes to set up, this is the way to go. Again, I paid $5 for it on eBay. The seller's name was Mac J. McCoy 75. Mac J. McCoy 75. So again, very well pleased, and I think my son will be thrilled with it nonetheless. Even though it is a Leia figure, he is a completist when it comes to specific ones, and he's requested a Leia figure for quite some time. So this will be fun to be able to give that to him for Christmas along with the dewback. Take care and have a great day.